In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over an outdoor Wi-Fi solar battery powered security camera, and it is all app control. You can see the look of the camera. Actually, let's just look over the box itself here. Go over some of the features of this thing. So it's full HD motion detection, AI analyst. So what that means is it can pick up a vehicle, a package, a person, or anything like that. Very cool feature on that for a very affordable price. Wireless networking, two-way audio, so you can speak back and forth. If you see someone walking through or something, you can hit a button and then you could talk all from your cell phone. Multi-user sharing, full color night vision, battery powered, solar panel, tilt and zoom. I've already had this thing out and kind of looked over it and charged it because it is battery powered. So you got to charge it, put it back in. So I went ahead and put it back in the box. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and show y'all exactly what you get when you order one of these. So you get a user manual, a 3-watt solar panel. You can see the solar panel there. Bracket for the solar panel. That's what that is. That is a cord for charging it or just running it off of power. Some installation hardware. Looks like you could go into a drywall. Some basic screws. The bracket and the camera itself. That's everything that's in the box there. First thing you want to do, remove that. See, it has remove on it. Pull your antennas up. Now, when you get this, my advice is go ahead and charge it right here. Plug in a USB-C, use the supplied cable, charge it up fully before you do it. And actually what I did, I set everything up here in the house before I took it outside. So setting up the Wi-Fi, the app, all of it was very simple. I'm not going to go into it too much in this video, but what I will show you, this is the app. The app is called Vocom Home, Vocom Home, and that's on Android and iPhone or iOS. Very simple to set up. Once you set everything up, you're going to turn on the power right under here, and these are all like getting open there. They're very tough. And actually, I installed a memory card in mine, so there's a little slot. This does not come with an SD card, but I installed an SD card in mine. So right there. Now to turn it on, there's a power button and a reset button. To turn it on, hold that down. You see what it does? What it's doing, it's calibrating itself there. It's going to line itself up. We'll go ahead and push this back down. Everybody, I have used a lot of different Wi-Fi cameras, and this one is one of the better premium ones for a very affordable price. My biggest regret of this is I didn't get two of them. These come in a 1-pack and a 2-pack. I wish I'd went ahead and ordered a 2-pack instead of a 1-pack, because now I'm going to have to order another one. Let me show you how you set this up. So you're going to use the hardware. You're going to screw this base down on like a fence, a post, or something like that. Then you'll put your solar panel up. You'll screw that in, and this just screws in the back right there. Pretty simple to hook up. I have another security camera that I'm going to move to my front and put this one in the back because the other one's a little different setup, and I want to use this one and see how it works in the back. So let's take this thing outside and let's set it up on my board, and then I have a pole, a light pole that's set up that I'm going to put this on. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. All right, here we are, everybody. I just got it all installed. Let me show you what I did here. I don't know how well you can see it with the sun in the background, but here's the camera, and you can see what I was talking about. I installed mine on a little piece of plywood. Let me back up some. So I went about 10 feet high. I used the step ladder, went up about 10 feet high, installed the camera. Now my house is over there, so the Wi-Fi is picking it up. I'll actually show some of the footage of this camera and show you how I kind of did it. So let me pull up the app and show you exactly what I got going on. So the app is the Home app. And you see when you pull it up right there, you see how I've got fully charged battery. My Wi-Fi signal is pretty strong. It's not the best, but it's strong. And I named it Backyard Solar Camera. And when you hit the connection, one thing that I've noticed, sometimes it just pops right up. See how it popped up right there? So we are live right now. You can see, watch when I walk over here, everybody. So I'm going to walk in the frame. Right here, you see me walking into frame. This thing works great. And we'll go back to, let me show you how it works on the, so I can move it like this. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll throw up some footage of where I was actually filming some with this thing, and it works really good. Watch how I can move it this way, move it that way. But here's a cool feature of this thing. Watch this. So if I hit this button right here, turn on, it's showing. There's that. And then you can speak to talk. Testing, 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 testing. So that works. Everything works on that. There's the sound. Turn the sound off. You can see the battery indicator, the how much Wi-Fi. And like I said, I mounted it there so it gets maximum amount of sunshine running over the top, and that seems to keep the battery fully charged. And see, when it's live, when it's connected, it's just live. And I think it's more my LTE connection is not that good. See, notice I'm back on Wi-Fi now, and now I've got full, because you're still going to be limited by however good a connection you got. And I've had pretty bad service here lately. So if you've got good service on your phone, you'll have no problem connecting this thing. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the solar powered Wi-Fi camera. See you on the next video.